If you're like me, you've tried various methods to organize your colored pencils, but you're searching for the perfect system. In this video, I'll share some practical and creative ways for organizing your colored pencils, whether you have just one set or a growing collection. These methods should improve accessibility and efficiency, rather than relying on organizational products. Colors and numbers. One of the most effective ways to organize color pencils, especially if you're buying them individually to replace them, is to sort them by colors and label them by numbers. I recently reorganized my Prismacolor Premier pencils this way, sorting them into pastels as I find it helpful to use them when I need to find highlights. Then I sort them into color families. Then I labeled them by number. Keep in mind, this may not be useful for pencils that can't be purchased individually, but if you're working with a brand that offers open stock, it's a solid system. Now, if a pencil goes missing, I can easily replace it by buying the exact color. And if you do find this video helpful, please hit the like button as it helps me know if you want to see more videos like this one. Number 2, numbering system. If you like to keep all your favorite brands together in one place, why not create your own numbering system? You can do this for each brand, or you can combine brands in this way. Label each pencil near the bottom of the barrel and group them into color families, but this system is also useful if you're looking to use up the pencil brands you're less fond of, allowing you to gradually declutter your collection. Number 3, pencil display. For those of you that enjoy a bit of flair in your workspace, displaying colored pencils in jars or containers can be functional and beautiful. This method is perfect if you're less concerned with the brands and more focused on keeping the pencils arranged by color. It's also a fun way to add some vibrancy to a space while keeping your tools within easy reach. Number 4, travel set. Don't forget about organizing your colored pencils on the go. Prepare a travel set ahead of time, so when holidays or travel opportunities arise, you can just grab and go. My 2 favorite ways to travel with colored pencils are roll-up cases and cosmetic zippered pouches. Both options are compact and convenient. I also like to use rubber bands in between color codes if I do happen to use the cosmetic bags. And don't forget to pack a few essentials, like an eraser, sharpener, black fine liner, and you can also include a white paint pen for those moments of inspiration while you're away. Number 5, color gradients. Another effective system is to sort them by color gradients. There might be an official word for it, but this is the way I would call it. This method involves grouping together a highlighter color, a mid-range color, and a dark shade that are complementary. While I haven't personally used this approach to sort my colored pencils, other colorists have raved about the smooth transitions in their coloring projects. For an example, you might have a pastel yellow, a golden yellow, and a deep amber color organized together. Coloring with Claire on YouTube does share this type of gradient system. If you want to know more about it, I'll leave a video link in the description. Number 6, pencil formulas. If you use different types of colored pencils, such as oil-based, wax-based, or watercolor pencils, consider grouping them by type. This method helps you find the right kind of pencil for your project. You can further divide these groups by color families and brands if you prefer. I hope you found these methods useful to organize your own pencil sets. I do have some more organization videos coming soon, especially around coloring books, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.